You have been learning English for a very long time, but still you are unable to speak. You do not know what to do. You are unable to express your thoughts, your feelings in English. You go to somebody to speak with, but they just make fun of you, they just laugh at you. So, and you do not have money to take any paid class or session. So you're now like, okay, I'm not getting a partner. I want to improve my English. What do I do? So here I'm going to share with you 5 free applications which are easily available on Play Store. And the best part of those applications that you will not have to pay even a penny, and you can practice of your speaking all day. Now you must be thinking like, what nonsense he is talking about, how is this possible? Like, there are few applications where we can practice all day and we will not have to pay even a penny. So my dear friends, I'm not kidding you, I'm telling you the truth. But the thing is that you do not know about them. Okay. Because I'm telling you, because I personally use them. Even I don't have money to take any paid class or session. Okay. I'm nobody who was born with silver spoon in his mouth. No, I'm born to a very average middle class family. I mean, I can say कि I'm having such a tough financial struggle in my life right now. I'm struggling very hard to make something for myself and for my family. So I'm not kidding you. I'm just telling you what I know, and I just wanna help you. Okay, because earlier even I had no one to who could tell me about those applications, who could guide me how to improve our English. Okay, how I can improve my English. No one. So I gradually got to know about those applications when I actually started interacting with people, and they started telling me about those applications. So I started using them. But yeah, if you have money, so you can take paid class or session, like you can go on Camly, you can go on Clappingo, you can go on Acefluency. You get 20 minutes at Acefluency for free of cost of your speaking. But if you want to talk more, like if you want to take any class or session, you want to talk with advanced speaker live, so you will have to pay, you will have to pay there. So you can do if you can, but for me I cannot. So I'm using those applications which are absolutely free, where I can practice all day, where I do not have to pay. So I think I have lectured a lot. Now I need to share those applications which are absolutely free. You must be eagerly waiting to know about those applications, right? So the first one is Hello Talk. So the first one is Hello Talk. Hello Talk, like in this application you can talk with speakers live. There is a lot of voice room also. I mean, most of the people has their own voice room where you can go and you just have to tell like, please invite me, and they will easily invite you, and you can start speaking with them. Okay, and they can be from another country also, and most of the people are over there who are from another country. Okay, so you can go and improve your English, and you can share your photos, videos also over there. Like, it's a really amazing application which I like it a lot. So yeah, and as you keep practicing over there, as you keep talking with people, you get coins and gifts, and then you can start your own voice room, you can start your own live event. Okay, so it's a really amazing application, Hello Talk, and it is absolutely free. You can go and check it out. Okay, now let's come to the second one. So the second one is Open Talk. So in this application, it's similar to Hello Talk. Like, you can talk with people live also. You can make a lot of calls. I mean, you can make you can make call all day, and you can talk for hours. There is no limit. And I have noticed that the best thing which I have noticed in this application, like you will be connected within a few seconds with anyone, and you can start your speaking, you know. So it's a really amazing application, so I like it a lot. Okay, now let's come to the third one. So the third one is BAngrez. So I'm not gonna go into the details of it, because all I'm going to tell you is that it's also a very amazing application. Like you can make a lot of calls, there is no limit, and yes, one thing is very important, that you can talk only for 10 minutes to each person. Okay, listen me carefully, like I'm just telling you, like you can talk all day, there is no limit, but you can talk for 10 minutes to each person, and then you make another call. Okay, so that's how it works. And the fourth one is English buddy. Here you can talk all day, there is no limit, and you can talk hours for hours. No, there is no limit. Okay, English buddy. And the fifth one is Acefluency, where you get 20 minutes to talk with speakers. And but yes, one thing which I like the most in this application, like if you do not have any question, or you do not have any topic to speak about, so you get a topic over when you make a call, and if somebody speaks your call, so there is a topic over there, you can see, and then you can start speaking on that topic. Okay, so I think these are applications which I personally use, and I just wanted to share with you. So go use it. Now it's your code. Okay, let me go because I'm running late for shop. I'm working right now, so at a shop, so like I have to go, otherwise my where I go, my master will start scolding me. Okay, so this was for today. I hope you liked it. So until then, take care and keep learning. Goodbye.